Hi everyone and welcome back to Black 7 Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and a sound test of the Maono WM820. This is a wireless microphone that I personally bought with my own money. This is not sponsored. I paid £50 here in the UK and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, my feedback, and I hope you leave yours in the comments down below. So let's go. So it comes in this sleek black box and it slides just out like that, with a yellow box inside. You can open it like that, and here you go. You're greeted with a manual, the two live mics, well, one live mic and one transmitter. The chargers are inside both ends, charger for both. And inside this box you are greeted with the mic extension, so you can clip this into your shirt, plug this into the mic. You have this to help cancelling the noise. You have this cable, so it's 3.5mm jack on both ends, one for the camera, one for the device, and you have another one of the same. So if you want to plug this into the phone, it says here phone. It comes with an extra mic sponge, also known as pop filter, and a nice velcro pocket purse thing. It's very smooth, very soft material on the inside. Still very soft on the outside, but not as much as the inside. This was the microphone of the camera. You already heard the microphone of the phone, and now you're gonna hear the sound of the Maono microphone that I'm gonna clip. I'm gonna try it out with this extension to check if this microphone also works and if it works fine, what's the quality. So let's go. And now I'm back recording on my phone so I can explain how to pair them. So here we go. You have the microphone on this side, and this one, the receiver, and the transmitter sends the sound over to this one, and this one sends it to the camera. How do you turn them on? There you go. You can see both sides. You can mute the microphone over there. You can repair them should you want to, but they came pre-paired from the factory. So if I turn one on, hold it for 2 seconds, press and hold for 2 seconds, it will turn on, and if I turn the flash off, it will turn on and it will flash, because it's not finding the other device. So once I turn this one on, press and hold for 2 seconds, let go. Now both of them will have the light on, neither of them will be flashing. So if I turn now this one off, hold it for 2 seconds once again, this will flash, meaning that this one is on, but it's not connected to each other. Also, the other light that you can see on the other side will be flashing red once the battery is low. So how do you know if it's charging or not charging? I'm gonna quickly show you that. To charge it, you just need to grab the USB, plug it to a PC, and it will, as you can see here, glow red on the battery part. And if it shows red, you keep it like that until it stops showing any color. If the LED turns off, completely off, no LEDs are showing, that means it's not charging anymore. And if you have it on, that means it's charging. There is no flashing red. The only reason it will flash red is if you're using it and the battery is low and it's not charging. Now this is the sound test of the wireless microphone, the Maono WM820. This is what it sounds on my normal voice, just clipped into my shirt. I'm doing nothing. I did no modifications to the volume, and the sound is unedited. This is raw sound, and now I'm gonna test with this extension. This is what it looks like, and this is how it sounds like with a mic extension. Transmitter is connected to the camera. This is my normal voice, once again completely raw, unedited. Tell me in the comments down below, how does it sound? What do you think? Was it worth the purchase? Would you consider buying one at the same price? So final thoughts. In my opinion, these were a great choice and a great purchase. Especially for me, I don't have any wireless microphone. This is my first one, especially now that I've just started YouTube. But anyways, what do you think? Tell me in the comments down below, comparing to the microphone on the phone, the microphone of the camera, which is probably one of the worst ones. There's a lot of echo. You can hear the cars on the street passing by because I live in front of a main road. And once again, this was not sponsored by anyone. I bought this with my own money. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and this is Black 7 Tech out.